SKIMFLOW LCB from Dependable is a gypsum-based self-leveling underlayment designed for repair of distressed gypsum floors. The product is reinforced with fibers for superior performance over flexible substrates. SKIMFLOW LCB may be poured without mechanical reinforcement to provide a quick-drying, durable surface. Application of Dependable SKIMFLOW LCB is as simple as sweep, prime, and pour. Step 1. Sweep. Sweep the floor to ensure that it is free of dust and contaminants. For areas that are especially distressed, a shop vac may be used to remove debris. Step 2. Prime. Using a long-handed roller, brush, or soft bristle broom, apply Dependable Primer A onto the floor. Ensure you apply the primer onto the entirety of the floor, not allowing it to puddle. When applying the primer to especially dry surfaces, water can be added to ensure that the primer soaks into the substrate, forming a strong bond. A good rule of thumb is to make sure the surface is wet for at least 15 minutes before drying. Step 3. Pour. Mix 1 bag of SKIMFLOW LCB with about 5 quarts of water. Whenever possible, mix outside to ensure that dust does not coat your primed surface. Pour SKIMFLOW LCB directly onto the floor, starting in a corner of the room. Continue to pour against the freshest material possible. Using a gauge rake will allow you to maintain a consistent thickness throughout each room. Readily available spiked shoes will make it easier to move around the room. Using a spiked roller will allow you to remove any troughs or ridges that remain after pouring. The material will remain flowable for about 20 minutes and will dry for foot traffic in about 3 hours. The surface will be ready for flooring application within 24 hours. And there you have it, a perfectly smooth repaired floor that meets fire code and was applied with no dust. Dependable quality, dependable performance, dependable products.